your life will never be organized. Your life will never be organized. Ogotora na mutorire utari webanga na wathaka ugakua hatari mubango. Praise the name of the Lord. You have to cut ties with your past. And cutting ties with your past is a decision. Praise the name of the Lord. It is a decision, a personal decision. When you dwell on your past, number 4, opportunities are missed. You miss opportunities because opportunities are not placed in the past, they are found in the future. The word today, Ogabairo, word today, it has one O. Ena O emwe. Because it is today. That O represents opportunity. What about the word tomorrow? Ena O sigana. Either to. Neko kwena opportunities nyige. Tomorrow. Never miss your opportunities because of holding on to your past. Your character. Taruni. Ogeheria gekeno thini wakwa na wanina Ben. Ogeheria smile thini wakwa na wanina Ben. Ogeheria wega uri okoragwo thini wa Ben na wanina. Wadua kedo useless. Riu niona ogeheteria. You'll never dismiss my attitude in me. Dokajeheria. Because if you tamper with my attitude, you leave an empty bin. Nani di jota goti do. Maga ini di gihota. Ta imagine, okay, you ta imagine ben you ta thekaga. We ta imagine ben you ta theka. Ta imagine ben you ta na compassion. Osoko imagine ben you ta na itheru. Atenu mu the bishop no go to compost, not to get serious. Di gihota. When I'm around people, I thought I could joke to Mr. Charles. We joke. No, I am me. Total holding on to your past. I go to another person. And when you become another person, you lose yourself. Now, did you go where? Did you go no adira. Never allow anything to change you from who you are. If you are a happy person, na yana makoguraria dukara karire hau meherere wethere environment yege ya gukenera. Ha nyomo tiranyi to ndero iga. Na githe ndwaguraririo haha ehera haha uthie haha no ugukena tondu gikeno gitirare na aria gikeno gikoragwo ki nawe. Tell your neighbor, never lose yourself. Praise the name of the Lord. Listen to this. You want to move on, and you don't know how to move on. Because, number 1, there are 6 dangers of living in the past. Nitazisoma haraka sana. 6 dangers of living in the past. Number 1, stagnation. Ogotora hado hamwe. Stagnation. Ogotora hado hamwe. Stagnation. Stagnation ire hago neke. Negotora motugoine omwe. You will stagnate in that circumstance if you cannot cut ties with your past. Bishop, cut your ties with that past. If you will not be able to do so, you will stagnate in that life until you die. One way of gugatia gwisomora odoini usio. It is a decision to cut ties with your past. Praise the name of the Lord. That is one danger of living in your past. Number 2, regret and guilt. Na muangalie hiyo live. Sitaki hii kitu itoke na ipote. Mimi naona lives imerudi yenu. I don't know what is happening. Sasa hii ni lesson, mmepoteza watu wa online. Ama Facebook zenu zinafanya. Ikuwe ni yangu. Praise the name of the Lord. This is a lesson I would want everybody to have it. Number 2, regret and guilt. Number 1, if you did a mistake, own it. Agikoro nwe kire mahitia maria magotoragia past abometekire mahitia masio ne makwa. Don't defend yourself from that mistake. Own it. Nilibeba mimba nikiwa msichana mdogo, yes. Na mtoto ni huyu, nampenda, lakini sitarudia. Own that mistake, so that you don't live in regret. Ogotora weriraga na weiguaga ruo ngoro rwa guilt. Own that mistake. Some of us, on our bishops, we are products of a rectified mistake. We are products of a rectified mistake. Ona tuema bishop tuema umerera ma mutugo watigirwo. Tuema umerera ma njira citari njega tugicenjia. We are not angels. We are products of a rectified mistake. So don't think that you have to become an angel for you to abandon a certain sin or a mistake. Rectify that mistake. Number 1, own it so that you don't live in regret and guilt. Praise the name of the Lord. Number 3, you will live in an uncomfortable life. Uncomfortability. There is no comfort in the past. Number 4, impaired relationships. When you hold on to grudges and disappointments, a stable relationship. Either in friendship, either in marriage, either business-wise or opportunity-wise. You will never have a stable relationship when you hold on to grudges and past battles. If you want a stable relationship with people, either in business, either in family, either in everything, cut ties and forget your past. Number 5, mental health issues. Wale watu unasikianga sana wakisema wako na vidonda vya tumbo. Wale watu unasikianga sana wakisema wako na ulcers. Wale watu unasikianga wakisema wako na pressure. Ukirudi nyuma pole pole, kuna past hawajawahi waachilia. Na wanapoifikiria kidonda kinachipuka. Maji ya nyongo yanamwagika tumboni. Wale watu unasikianga wanaruka kichwa, ni kubebanisha mambo ambayo wanafaa kuachilia. Ni dikare kauro na kamwe sami katage mutoe wakwa dikare kagiorogere kia kahinda gako. Digweciria nyumba eno kwe mundu ungitire na kahinda gake, past hana kahinda ndungitire na kokiga wow haha thiini hena pizza, haha thiini hena guacamole, haha thiini ni njui hena njogo. Ona mundu awikaraga runda na ari awega ukira ndangikanyita uguo o uguo tangeikara nako either wekirwo oru ukigererio wega-ini, allow the past to go. Rekia uri ongerekia uhoro ucio. Praise the name of the Lord. Ona ungithi witeithie State House ndungitinda urorete u ati wow ndagutiga State House waja urikagio gambitie kibombo. That's the way you flash that past from your life. Praise the name of the Lord. Number 6. Shame. Aibu. Kama hautaondoka kutoka kwa jana yako na uiachilie, utaishi kwa aibu. Shame. Utaishi kuinama hivi. Lazima uachilie. And do you know what? Face the reality. Kama ni mtu unaona amekuweka in the past, the Bible says in the book of Proverbs, go and rescue yourself. Maandiko yanasema hivyo. Proverbs ile inasema thie kuri mundu ucio witunyukithie toria thwariga etunyukithagia moko-ini mamumitegi ibuku ria thimo. Thie kuri andu acio, face them, marore maitho uguo mere I know ndakuhiteirie na ngiguturithia ngoro yaku na ni unduragia in my past nigetha ndikanarikiririe na giconoko tondu he hindi ndakwirire ndugatuika mundu wa bata Njoroge, he hindi ndakwirire Sami nduri hindi ugatuika kindu, ni ndekirire nguraro ngoro yaku na tondu no watuikire kindu kiu ndakwirite ndugatuika ri umuthi ni nie ndiraturwo ndakuona no watuikire ndoka uguthahitha undekere ndwikira murata nigetha ngoro yakwa ihone. Riria mundu ucio agakwira thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu ni ndakurekera, ngoro yaku no ikahona. Praise the name of the Lord. Ngoro yaku no ikahona. Yes. No akwira ndungihota kurora muiritu ugo mwire atiriri ni ndari na kiriko nawe ni ngakuhikia na ngoro-ini yaku kigia mwihoko munene muno na ukinjeterera nie ndoimagara ngiriganirwo na ni ndaguraririe ngoro yaku muno no ndaguthaitha urondekera. Kiugo kiu ni kia bata muno gugutunyukithia kuri past. Praise the name of the Lord. Na reke inde muhire, when we dwell in the past we will miss a lot in the future. Bwana Yesu atukuzwe. Kuri andu mana twika maundu maingi muno na meruo wa Mwangi nikio uga Boni ni ekuriraga haha ni ruo no Boni ndungithie na mbere angikorwo no guikaraira angikorwo no kwenda tutwikania guku guothe tukihinguraga nduka ciaku. Allow the past to be called past. No ngihota nginya ku make peace na ndora mana turithia ngoro yaku, make it. Thondeka thayo nio megutigwo we ugakorwo umwite na ukahona oneo megutigwo hau tondu maririgagwo Ngai twamwikite uguo niki. Praise the name of the Lord. Ni kuri mundu aturithirie ngoro yakwa muno riria tuokire kuhingura kanitha uyu haha, but I thank God JCM ndinani na miaka 2 atokite agaikara haha no ari umwe wa kuya mutito ndarigagwo na kibuita giki gitagwo kamwana karia getei getuaga ni andu karateithia oguo na thina wako wari umwe tu kuhunjia compassion haria mareciria atifati kuhunjio compassion ndoirwo kibui ngiringwo actually nigetha ndikana coke past ini ri I made friendship na aria mandurithagiria past ini riu nie I am no longer there akorwo ni matigirwo ho ni hao nie kuria ndi riu nie ndirathi UK mweri 10 nguthie America kwa mura pastor Wachira next week iri again turathi South Africa na Mr Charles kuhingura kanitha witu riu nie ku ne kuondi. That is what was placed in my future. In the past no takataka na thina mutheri umai ira-ini rianyu Jehova arokuhe uhoti wa kuma Thĩinĩ wa rĩĩtwa rĩa Jesu. Praise the name of the Lord. I will no longer live in my past. Praise the name of the Lord. I will no longer live in my past. How can I move from my past? Hii ndio namaliza nayo. How can I move from my past? Are you there? Number 1, establish boundaries. This can mean something different for everyone. But the main point is to give yourself time to heal and to move ahead at your own pace. Establishing boundaries may include being more selective on who we welcome into our lives and who we dismiss. With boundaries, consistency is key in helping let go of the past and living in the present. Set boundaries. In your life, decide who to welcome and not to welcome. Become selective. Kanithoyo wakwa ona wina ndo ngirisi ciothe kuri mundu tagioka gwakwa ona the bishop wanyu. Yes. Because I set my boundaries according to your behavior. I don't welcome everybody or anybody in my life. I am selective nowadays. Teneri dari mundu mwe fani muno. I was so welcoming. Mo bishop. I was so welcoming. Da higuragira ndo the goro. Deraga mundu wothe ra ndiraigua. Na rekei ndimwire kuma muthe JCM. Beware whom you are telling your things. Sometimes we recruit enemies without knowing. Sio watu wote unafaa kufungulia roho yako uambie kitu. Wakati mwingine unaelimisha adui akumalize. Be selective. Hata chakula ginya irio menya no urahe. Kuri andu urahe irio na giciko metereire magie hinya makunine. Be selective. Praise the name of the Lord. Be selective. Tia tuothe. Pastor Shege, magushagio muturire-ini waku. Allow some people to be 50 meters from where you are. Atumia. Tia tuothe monagio muthuri waku no gutunywo. Tia tuothe meragwo ria twe active. Ka tutari active. No uthiku kugana muthuri waku ria active utunywo. Na no uthiku ria tari active afundithio. Set boundaries. Ugathi kwira atumia muthuri waku ni muguta. Tho yaku ethie na kaendia kau. Afundithio. Na thie.